I'm Aljon Mariano of Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel, and this is Recaption. Ayun, yung family ko, nag-celebrate kami ng New Year. Kung i-recaption ko to, siguro, we miss you, kuya. Kasi yung kuya ko, sa States na siya nakatira and hindi siya nakapag-celebrate kasama namin ng New Year. Sobrang blessed ako na nakapag-aral ako sa UST and finally nakagraduate ako this year sa marketing management. Kung i-recaption ko to, siguro mission accomplished. Yung picture na yan, we had our fans day sa Green Meadows and kasama namin nag-lunch and party yung mga fans ng Ginebra. And syempre sobrang nakakatuwa, lalo na for me as a rookie na sobrang overwhelming yung fans talaga. Kung i-recaption ko yung photo na yan, hashtag for the fans. Hi, I'm Aljon Mariano of Barangay Ginebra and this is Recaption. You can follow me on Instagram at aljonmariano_.